Hello guys and welcome to another new video of the home decor series. So have you ever noticed that we use the word modular kitchens with a very special reference to India? If you see modular kitchen images from the west, it becomes apparent that almost all the kitchens there are modular and thus they don't call it out specifically. But modular kitchens arrived on the Indian shores just about a decade ago and took the interiors market by a storm. Naturally, the concept is quite novel with reference to Indian kitchens. In fact, it is now becoming something of a necessity for most urban homes. And from the cultural perspective, however, Indian food and cooking are unique. Hence, you cannot pick a kitchen design concept from elsewhere and place it straight away into the Indian context. And if you want to know exactly what a Desi modular kitchen should include, then you have come to the right place. So today we are going to see the hand-picked list of images to illustrate exactly what an Indian kitchen should entail. So let's get started. Number 1. Closed kitchen layout works best for Indian cooking. Open kitchens may be a thing these days, but a closed kitchen does have its own advantages. The kitchens shown here in these images are perfect example of a closed kitchen, complete with a door. But not all closed format kitchens come with doors. It might be prudent to have one installed, for otherwise it defeats the purpose of having a closed kitchen. Number 2. Dark colored lower cabinets in the two-tone kitchen. While white kitchens are all the rage, but for heavy-duty cooking, two-tone kitchens will tick both style and practically boxes. We recommend keeping white for your upper cabinets, while the base units can be a dark color. Curries and richly colored spices are an integral part of Indian cuisine, not to mention the occasional spills here and there. We recommend keeping white for your upper cabinets, while the base units can be a dark color. If you fancy lighter combinations, you've got other combinations too. Number 3. A sturdy countertop for heavy-duty cooking. Just like your lower cabinets weather the storms of spills and stains, so do the countertops. Thus, Indian kitchens must have sturdy counters that are resistant to stains. Non-porous materials like quartz and granite are ideal for Desi kitchens that have to be put up with the occasional blot of turmeric stains. While quartz is the best kitchen countertop material, but from the price point, granite is also an affordable option. Number 4. Spice racks for accessibility. Did you know that the average kitchen in Australia has just 4 spices? Now compare that to the number of basic spices we have in an Indian kitchen. But it does not end here. Not only do we have an immense number of spices in our kitchens, we also use them frequently in almost all our cooking. So if you want an easy reach of all your essentials, then choose open spice racks. As shown in these images, they have an accessible spice racks built under the cabinets. There are various other types of open shelves available for kitchens. Number 5. Double sinks or utility area to keep washing vessels and cooking separate. In most Indian homes, we have household helps who come in to do the dishes. Some of us tend to collect the utensils to be washed for the next day in the sink or basket. Having a dedicated utility area or 2 sinks in a kitchen ensures that the cooking and cleaning areas are kept separate from each other. This kind of segregation helps reduce the potential mess that can occur in your kitchen. In these images, I've shown both type of examples, that is separate and segregated kitchen sinks. Number 6. Ventilation to keep the kitchen smoke and odor free. So the mantra here is chimney plus window is equal to odor free kitchen. Smoking can get stuffy. Indian kitchens in particular need proper ventilation. This is especially true because we temper our food, leading to quite a bit of fumes and strong odors. The simplest way to get rid of smoke, of course, is to buy an effective chimney. But we would say that if there is a window in your kitchen, then nothing is like it. In fact, if there isn't one, it might be a good idea to carve a window out just for ventilation. Number 7. Task lighting for prep work. With both partners working these days, we must take into account a scenario where people get back home from work and then cook their meals. Hence, lighting is of paramount importance, and you will especially love task lighting for this. We can see under cabinet lighting in these bright kitchen images. Not only is it functional, but also looks rather chic. We generally favor these kind of task lighting, as you can see in the modular kitchen images. Number 8. A space to hang spoons and spatulas, as we use so many, don't we? Let's do a social experiment here. How about you count the number of cooking spoons and spatulas that you use while cooking a full course Indian spread? There is just no end to the number of kerchiefs you will need, and keeping them handy is your best bet. So we highly recommend having hooks to hang up these cooking tools instead of having them inside a drawer. At least the one you need most regularly should be kept handy. Number 9. Easy to clean cabinet finish to combat the oil and grime. Cooking in a typical Indian household is more about sizzling and simmering than baking and grillings. Naturally, oil, ghee and smoke combine in the kitchen to form a rather stubborn layer of grime. Needless to say that this means we have to finish the kitchen quite often. When easy cleaning is the ultimate here is to opt for cabinet shutter finishes opinions on why acrylic is better than laminates, membrane and PVC as far as our recommendation goes before coming to a decision. Finishes like acrylic, as we can see in these images, are easy to maintain. If acrylic stretches your budget, high gloss laminate can be an affordable alternative for Indian kitchens. Number 10. A large pantry unit to stock up all groceries together. So if you grew up in a desi home, you will relate to the fact that we never really run out of anything. Stocking up essentials is an integral part of doing grocery shopping for Indians. Earlier, most houses had larders to stock these extras. And in modern Indian kitchens, we have replaced larders with tall cabinets and pantry pullouts. But if these kitchen accessories are biting into your budget, you can always opt for open shelves to store your groceries, like shown in one of these images. Having said that, I always recommend tall units for all the kitchens because they are worth the investment. So this is it, and I hope that these kitchen features help you in planning out the best kitchen for you. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end, and please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.